I'm a young marketeer and looking for ways to get good digital marketing clients. Can you please elaborate? And I do talk about this on a very regular basis. Where how do you get clients? You need to have a first a sales funnel, and then you drive traffic to that sales funnel. So what you want to do is think up of an offer. What is your offer? Why should somebody come to you? Why should I come to you? And then what you do is you create a landing page and run ads to it. Whether they convert or don't convert, you won't know until you start running traffic, whether it's organic or paid. My way of generating leads is through YouTube by videos like these ones, where we are offering free, good quality um, education for everyone, and also running ads as well. So we have organic as well as paid ads, and that's the well. There there are many more ways to drive traffic, but these are the two big ones which I would recommend that you start. Whether if you got the cash, spend it on ads. You'll get instant traffic. If you don't have the cash, you need to upload and create content, put it up on your blog, on your YouTube channel, Facebook, social channels, and build up your tribe, and then start to get leads. So that's what we were talking about, how to get leads. That's how you would do is set up a sales funnel, get your offer, drive traffic to it, and that's the three-step process which you will need to get new leads and clients. What I would also do is don't try to do too many things by yourself. I do Facebook ads, I do Google ads, I do SEO, I do email marketing, I do this, that, everything. No, just focus on one. So many people ask me, oh, can you do Facebook ads for us? And I can do Facebook ads a lot better than a lot of the Facebook marketeers as well. But I choose not to because I just want to focus on my niche and my expertise, which is Google ads. So this is what I'm going to highly recommend, that just focus on one thing only and try to become really, really good at it.